The 2018 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.